promise, I want to go through 3 ways that you can build wealth using your credit. Okay? The first 2 are going to be kind of obvious, but maybe you didn't actually think about this. And the third one, I'm hoping that's going to start to get your wheels turning about being creative when it comes to your credit. Okay? This is assuming that your credit's already awesome. Okay? So the first way is, I always think about I always think like, wow, you can buy a house, you can get a 6-figure loan just based off of your credit. I mean, that's pretty damn amazing. What could you do if you have access to actual cash money? That's loans. And this, obviously, when you take your money and you use your loan money correctly, whether it be for your mortgage or if you got a personal loan, to take advantage of some amazing opportunity that is going to make you more money, that's pretty powerful. The second way is credit cards. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, credit cards? That is evil. Well, credit cards are only evil if you don't know how to use them correctly. If you are not strategic about the way you use your credit cards, okay? If you're a consumer and you want to buy some shoes and you want to buy all the things that don't make you any money, then sure, this would be probably not a good option for you. But if you are strategic and you are thinking about your future, then you would think of these credit cards as your little Juan Pablo. He has a YouTube channel called 100% Finance. He calls them his little homies, and they are. And I've used them that way. So I have actually rehabbed a house using my credit cards, using Home Depot with 0% interest for a certain amount of time. Guess what, folks? 0% interest means I get to use their money for free. I get to buy all of my material that I need for free. That is an awesome deal. I'm sorry, you can't get any better than that. Then there are all kinds of really interesting ways on how to get your money off of credit cards without it showing up as a cash advance, where you get that big high fees and all that kind of stuff. No, there's all kinds of ways you can use credit card to leverage it, to build wealth, okay? The third one, and I hope, like I said, that this is going to get your mind really going, dun, dun, dun. If you guys know about meetup groups, you can meet up to do anything. There's a meetup group to walk your dogs. There's a meetup group to clip toenails. Just kidding. But there are lots of real estate meetups specifically, okay? And so real estate meetups are pretty cool because people like yourself trying to build wealth through real estate, okay? And so you're going to come across lots of, hopefully, investors who are actually active in their business. You can come in as a credit partner in a real estate deal, okay? And you're probably like, what is that? Well, credit partner is someone, say for instance, if a person's an active real estate investor, they probably got a couple deals going, right? And so at some point, the banks don't want to hear anything from them. They're like, finish the deals you have. So they may have come across a really good deal and they can't do it because they don't have enough credit or their DTI is too high. Plethora of reasons. So if you come in with some credit and some money, right, because you have an income, you could come in solely as a credit partner on a real estate deal. You may not even have to come out of your pocket with any cash. So you could go into a meetup group, have a little flyer or a business card and say, hey, we'll be your credit partner on a deal. And you'd be surprised. You could actually make money, and pretty quickly too. In 6 months or less, you could have $5,000, $10,000 more money than you had, maybe even more, by leveraging just because you have a great credit score. So here are 3 things I want you to really think about when it comes to building credit, because one of the things that I don't just, in my business, we don't just help people repair their credit. We help them build business credit. We help them look at credit completely differently, so that they can really start to use it to level that playing field. Okay. And what I mean by that, if you haven't gotten, even if you have your degree, the struggle is real out here, right? But if you don't have a degree, if you have all these excuses why the system is messing you all up, get your credit straight And that is one less thing someone can discriminate on you for, okay? That's one less thing. So anyway, I'm going to leave you with that. These are the 3 things: loans, credit cards, credit partner in a real estate deal. And look again for some more tips like this. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a fantastic day, and